All right, Gary.
Woo!
We're gonna go. We're not gonna take a hot lap. It's gonna be a slow lap in a 1952 Chevy pickup.
I think that's a granny gear there.
I think so too. You know, if Sanford and Son had money, they would have bought one of these instead.
Yep. It's a nicely done truck though, man. Everything's done.
Completely restored. Every nut and bolt. Rebuilt engine, rebuilt trans, rebuilt differential. All new rubber. I mean, every screw. Pretty amazing. About $60,000 put into this truck, and it's just really neat.
Yeah, it's pretty stock, and it's got, I think it's got what, front disc brakes though?
Yeah, they added power disc brakes, and they added a Ron Francis wiring kit, so the wiring is nice, and also turned it into a 12 volt, so you could have like a nice radio and stuff like that, and bright lights.
Yeah, exactly.
And it starts faster.
And it's got, on the floor, it's got the push button with your foot.
Yeah, so got the push button starter.
So you gotta have 3 feet. No, I'm just kidding.
But pretty clean. I mean, everything. The bed's been redone, the headliner. It still smells like new in here. It's only got about 700 miles on it since it was completed. Super nice guy that owned it, retired fire captain. And this was a labor of love for the last 4 or 5 years. So just time to get something different now.
Yeah, that's nice though, boy. I'm telling you.
Yeah, look at all those gauges. They've all been redone.
Yeah, this guy spared no expense, I'll tell you.
Most of these things you see got, you know, small block Chevy motors in them and Camaro front clips, and that's all cool too. I mean, we like that stuff, but to get something that's been frame off restored and pretty much the original theme, you know, it's like yard art. You put this out by the barn, put a couple things of hay in the back.
That's right.
It's a little nice for that, but whatever. Teach their own, right?
I would just drive a thing. I mean, you get a lot of attention. People, when we were going up the street just now, were looking at us.
Ah, it's a parade car. Pretty cool. How those brakes work? Pretty good?
Yeah, they work really good.
That's nice. Better than the old adjust the drum brakes.
Yep.
Cool. We're heading on up to our picture spot. We'll take some more pictures and a video. All right. This is a really super nice 1952 Chevy pickup, 3100, 5-window. 5-window's cool. It's like a little fishbowl in there. You got no blind spots. It's got the split windshield in 1952. Incredible paint. I mean, $20,000 plus into paint and bodywork on this truck. I mean, just really beautiful. There's not a nick or chip in it. I don't think. I couldn't find one. It only has 700 miles on it, which is probably back and forth to the corner Cars and Coffee cruise nights. That's about it. You know, no freeway driving or anything in this one yet. Rebuilt the differential, rebuilt the transmission. It's a 4-speed, and it's on the floor, which is cool. Some of these things are 3 on the tree, which I don't particularly care for, but this one's a 4-speed on the floor. It's got the floor starter down there. It's got turn signals, which looks like they were probably added because they didn't have them sometimes. You know, all the original plaques are where they're supposed to be. The door jambs are all detailed out. Everything's new. Even the seat, headliner, custom auto sound stereo. One of the reasons they put that 12-volt system in there so you can have some brighter headlights, easier starts. All the chrome is brand new. Looks just as good underneath. You'll see the pictures. And we have some available if you want additional. But even the running boards aren't. I mean, you're afraid to get in it. You don't want to scratch your running boards with your feet. So, you know, it's something you could take to shows. Probably get a trophy with it. Beautiful bed. All the stainless steel hardware. Helps it keep it from rusting. Not that you want to leave this thing in the rain. Even the tailgate's straight. Pretty nice truck. If you want to build one, better off buying one done. Save yourself a grip of money. All right, here's that Stowbolt straight 6 in the 52 Chevy pickup. This one's a 235, completely rebuilt. A single carburetor there. It also has the additional oil filter. Some of these don't even come with an oil filter, but this has an oil filter. 12-volt generator. All new wiring. I mean, Ron Francis wiring. Everything's brand new that way. You don't have to worry about having something that's just not done completely, you know. Steering box is rebuilt. Radiator. Every nut and bolt. Like I mentioned, it also has power disc brakes. The unit's underneath the floor down there. It sure is nice to be able to stop one of these things, you know. It's that's a plus. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. fires up great. The 6 volts are usually you know, like it take your little time to start, but 12 volt makes it fast starting. And it's quiet. Like again, it's just stock, got exhaust going out the back. It's a clean old truck. You can have some fun with it, enjoy it. Go for a cruise. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to show you the car. My name is Rich, and that's Gary in the truck over there. Look forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching.